Hey everyone, welcome back to Dizzy Globe Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to cover an important topic in SQL, how to modify a table. Whether you need to add a new column, change a data type, or renaming a table, understanding how to modifying a table is crucial for maintaining your database. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's talk about why you might need to modify a table. As your application or project grows, your data requirements might change. You may need to store additional data, adjust existing data types, or rename columns to better reflect their purpose. SQL make it easy to adapt your tables to change these changing needs. So, the primary command for modifying a table in SQL is alter table. This command allows you to make various changes to the structure of an existing table. Let's walk through some common modifications. Like, let us see, we have a database, we created a database and we created a table. Let's describe our table. Let us see the structure of our table. Describe table name. Describe employees. See, we have fields like ID, name, department, salary, and data types int, var, decimal, and null keywords. We don't have these. We have primary key. So now adding a new column. We will add new column for this. First, let us say you want to add a new column to an existing table. For example, if you want to add a phone number column to the employees table, you would use let us use the following command: alter table employees, add, we will add phone number. Is where data type. Now we will execute one. Now we will describe the employees table and we added a phone number. This commands adds a new column called phone number that store up to 15 characters. This new column will be added at the end of the table by the default. As you know, it will be added to the end of the table by the default. See here. Sometimes you might want to rename a column to better reflect its content. For example, if you want to rename a name column to full name, let us alter this table. Alter table employees. So we want to rename a column name to full name. So we take change name and we need to change it as full name. Where can let us execute this command. So we changed the name column to full name. Let us describe employees. Let us see the structure. So here we successfully changed from name to full name. Now if you want to drop a column, then use now we will use drop keyword. For example, if you want to drop the phone number column, let us try this. Alter table employees, drop column phone number. We successfully dropped the phone number column. Let us describe employees and see this. So we don't have phone number column here. So we successfully eliminated the phone number column. Now, lastly, if you need to rename the entire table, you can do this with the rename keyword. Let us alter this table. Alter table employees. We will rename to employee. We successfully renamed it employee. Now we will see employee table. We will describe employee. So we have employee table with ID, full name, department, salary, and there you have it. Modifying a tables in SQL is a powerful way to keep your database structure aligned with your project needs. Whether you are adding new columns, changing data types, or even renaming tables, the alter table command is your go-to tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials and insights. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.